All right. 38. 38 says find the y dx if y minus 3x cube, if y equals to 3x cube plus 2x squared plus 3x plus 1. Okay, so find the y dx. So we have y, if y equals to 3x cube plus 2x squared, okay, plus 3x plus 1. So the y dx, just like you've been solving the differentiation, you multiply this by these coefficients. We have 3 times 3 x raised to the power 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 2. So you have 2 times 2 x raised to the power 2 minus 1 plus the power here is 1. 1 times 3, 3 x raised to the power 1 minus 1, and then this constant is 0 when you differentiate it. So you have your dy dx equals to 3 times 3, you have 9, x raised to the power 3 minus 1, 2, plus 2 times 2, you have 4, x raised to the power 2 minus 1, you have 1, plus 3, 1 minus 1, you have 0. So this gives you 9x squared plus 4x, x raised to the power 1 is x, times 4, you have 4x plus any number raised to the power 0 apart from 0 is 1, so 1 times 3, you have 3. So we have 9x squared plus 4x plus 3. So your answer is A. Your answer is A. Okay, next question. Next question is 39. So we're given a region. So we said the region, the required root is what? The required root is what? So this is really very straightforward. There's a bonus distance. You have your distance and it's passing through minus 1 and 4. It passes through minus 1 and 4, where this is x-axis and this is your y-axis. So your root, the root of this equation is minus 1 and 4. Are you getting it? And essentially the region under the graph is minus 1 less or equals to x, less or equals to x, less or equals to what? 4. Okay, so that's what you have, and your answer is equals to 4. Your answer is equals to C. Question number 40. So we're given evaluate integral of sine x minus 5x squared dx. So to evaluate integral of sine x minus all this minus 5s squared all dx. Okay, so you know that this is same thing as integral of sine x dx, okay, minus integral of 5x squared dx. So this is same thing as when you integrate sine x, you get minus cos x. So this gives us minus cos x, okay. Let's add a constant k to it, minus, when you integrate this, remember your integration is when you have x raised to power n, you add 1 to the n and then you divide by the result. Okay, so what we are going to have here is 5x 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 plus a constant k. Okay, so this is going to give us minus cos x minus 5x raised to power 3, 2 plus 1 is 3, all over 3, constant plus constant is what? Is constant. Okay, all right, so what you got is minus cos x minus 5 x cube over 3 plus a k. So your answer is what? Is a C. Alright, 41. Question number 41. So we got if n equals to p over 2 into t1 minus t2 over t1, find p when n equals to 12, t1 equals to 27, and t2 equals to 24. So we have if n equals to p over 2, all this is into t1 minus t2 all over t2, sorry, all over t1 over t1. So if n equals to 12, n is 12, and t1 is 27, and t2 is 24. So your you said we should find p. We should look for p. P is what? So it's just to substitute all of this into this equation. So we have our n, which is 12, equals to p, we don't know it, over 2 into t1 is 27 minus t2 is 24 all over t1 27. Okay, so this is equals to 12 equals to p over 2 into 27 minus 24, that's 3 over 27 over 27. Okay, now you just do your cross multiplication. You know that this is the same thing as 3p over 3 times p over 2 times 27. Okay, so if you do your cross multiplications, you have your 3p to be equals to 12 by 2 by 27. So your p is same thing as 12 by 2 by 27 all over what? All over 3. Okay, so my p is equals to 3 here 1, 3 here 4. Okay, so your p is 8, 4 times 2 8 times 27. P is 8 times 27. So just a simple trick, you have that to be equals to p to be equals to 8 times 20 plus 7. Okay, so you have that to be this to be 8 times 20, you have 160. Okay, and then 8 times 7, what's 8 times 7? That's your 56. Okay, so if you add that together, you have this to be equal to 216. Okay, so you have that to be 216. That's your p. Your p is 216. And what's your option? D.